if I stand up, I should be able to lay the cement down, but if I go down as far as that, I got a good angle. So I am comfortable with that. So I am going to take the tape now. I am going to lay it on. Nice and tight. Roll it around. There I go. I'm ready to go do my work. Do a test run. I got to get a lot further than that. So each time I want to get out there and bring in the cement, I'm going to have to bring it out, lock the extension pole, and get as far as over there. Now, this is going to take about a couple of hours to do, because when I use hydraulic cement, it dries rapidly. So right now, I can go set my camera up, I can get it in there, I could face it this way, and you can see the work I can do. Is it worth for me to do that when I only got a select few people that check in? Not at all. So what I'm going to do, which is more important at this time, is mix a little of cement, try my best to get some on, mix a little more, etc., etc. I'm adding my water in. I got latex gloves on. I got plastic down. And I only got like 10 minutes to work with it. It's enough time to get what I need to do. I want to make it thin and not thick. I can't make it too loose, because then I got a problem where it won't stay on the spatula, the spade. Lean it like so. Take my spatula like so. Get some on it, as much as I can. Take my pole, dump it into the corner, and then work it. Do my best to get a little further down and work it back. Beautiful. Try to get this corner right here. Beautiful. Perfect. Oh man. I couldn't ask for anything better than that. That's a great job right there. I'm done for now what I should have done. And let me just bring your attention to these, bolts, bars. I got to pull them out or just lay the cement over it. I'm going to take a mask, put it on, and I'm going to blow this. Get all that dirt back there the best I can. Because hydraulic cement, water stuff, goes on anything. I just want to make a better seal, and I don't want to take a hose to it and wet it down. I should, but I'm not going to. So I got 1, 2, 3, 5. My leak may be just a little further. The most difficult part now is getting between, you got it, the stud and the wall. And I may have to make a nice liquid mix and somehow pour it in there. I got to figure out how to do it. The Poland spatula, oh man, did a nice job. It went really fast. Check back later for an update on the video. You all have a great day and take care of yourself. By the way, man, let me tell you, this stuff gets all over the case of your camera. So you got a camera that you don't care about. I care about this camera a lot. My suggestion is do it with another camera. So yeah, I cleaned up the handle, did everything, and let me know if you can do a better job or you found a way to do what I've done better. I'd love to hear it because I don't want to take that wall apart, and that was the best thing to go about doing my business. Have a great day. Catch you all later. See ya!